You fill up the gas tank, you drive carefully, and yet somehow your expensive gas just keeps disappearing. It can be incredibly frustrating to watch that needle sputter to a halt when you know you've been light on the pedal. We know the usual suspects. Your engine constantly burns fuel to fight aerodynamic wind drag, and it takes a massive amount of kinetic energy to push a heavy metal vehicle down the highway. But looking at this close-up of a tire on the asphalt reveals a hidden variable. See those red arrows pushing backward? That represents an invisible force called rolling resistance, and it is secretly consuming up to 30% of your total fuel. To defeat this fuel-stealing force, we have to look past the engine and examine the physical nature of the tires themselves. Tires are built out of specially engineered rubber compounds that share a specific material property. They are visco-elastic. That means their physical behavior sits somewhere right in the middle between a bouncy elastic spring and a thick, resistant fluid. For contrast, look at this wheelbarrow. A perfectly solid, rigid steel wheel rolls effortlessly because it doesn't bend or flex at all. But a solid steel wheel on your car would offer zero grip and an incredibly harsh ride. To actually drive safely, a rubber tire has to squash flat against the ground. This physical flattening creates a contact patch that grips the road. Creating that patch requires a massive amount of physical effort. Every single time the tire completes a full revolution, the heavy weight of the car violently forces the bottom of the rubber to bend, compress, and shear. That constant physical squishing and reshaping is the exact origin point of rolling resistance. The kinetic energy generated by your engine is literally swallowed up by the bending rubber. To see how that energy gets trapped, we have to zoom way in, microscopically deep inside the flexing rubber tread. Here, you'll find a chaotic web of long gray polymer chains shifting around large, clumpy black rocks. Those black rocks are an ingredient called carbon black. It's the standard reinforcing filler tire manufacturers have used for decades to give the rubber its necessary strength and prevent it from wearing down too quickly. But there is a mechanical conflict. Because the tire is constantly flattening out and then returning to its round shape, those rigid carbon black aggregates physically rub and scrape against the flexible polymer chains. That intense internal friction forces the tire to absorb the car's forward energy. And because of the internal scraping, the rubber cannot instantly spring back into its original shape. Physicists call this delayed energy return and friction phenomenon hysteresis. The energy trapped by hysteresis cannot simply disappear. Instead, it escapes as heat, baking the asphalt beneath you instead of moving your car forward. Hysteresis acts like a constant invisible brake. It takes the fuel you buy at the pump and converts it directly into useless tire heat. The engineering challenge became clear. How do you alter the internal chemistry of the tire to stop this friction without losing the strength needed to hold the car up? This microscopic view reveals the breakthrough. Engineers replaced the clumpy carbon black with tiny crystalline silica. Notice those bright blue lines. They are coupling agents that allow the silica to bond perfectly with the rubber polymers, acting like a highly effective molecular lubricant. Now, when the tire squishes against the road, the internal elements move and flex smoothly past one another. The new structure completely eliminates that aggressive scraping. This advanced silica chemistry creates what the industry calls a green tire, a molecular hack that stops energy waste right at the source. This gauge shows the exact impact of that chemical swap. Green tires drop a vehicle's rolling resistance coefficient by a massive 30%.
If you enjoyed this video, please comment, like, and subscribe.